Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club CTG. We back in this beat. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of my favorite tools for recovery. Absolutely crucial, necessary. If you guys can, I would highly recommend you guys getting one. This is a game changer. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a little handy dandy tool, which is going to be a percussion massager. I don't know if I said that right, I might have totally screwed it up. A percussion massage gun, but basically I had been looking around on Facebook Marketplace for a lot of these guns because when I was building out my home gym, I would see them pop up here and there for anywhere $50 to $100, and I always really wanted one. If you guys know the really popular ones, the Theragun and the Hyperice, so the very popular guns, and I'd been in the market for one, I'd been looking around and then never really put the trigger on one, but they've been on my mind, especially on my home gym build setup. If you guys haven't, I have a whole series build out of all the videos building out my home gym, so go check those out. But basically, I needed a tool that was a little bit more than a foam roller, the ones you lay down on, and also like the hand rollers. Don't get me wrong, those are crucial and I still use those for recovery, but recently my buddy got one of these guns and I used it every time he was around and absolutely loved the thing. So I knew I absolutely needed one because I had weird places that needed, I guess, just a massage or just more of like a deep tissue recovery apparatus or just movement. Let's say like the shoulders, the pec, the back of my traps, things like that I really couldn't get to and get too deep with a traditional foam roller, and that's where this bad boy comes in. This right here is the AchedAway Pro. Basically, this is their percussion massage gun model. It comes in an awesome little kit. Comes with a battery, your gun, and 5 attachments. And they're all super easy to remove. So basically, if you boom, insert your battery, choose your attachment. We got one of these here. We got the bullet head tip. This is made of metal. We got the flathead tip, which is also made of metal, guys. Super awesome. We got our fork head tip, which was what I tried with my buddy's percussion massage gun, and this was amazing, especially for your legs if you're a runner. And then we also got the all-in-one soft tip ball head, which is amazing for those spaces that are a little bit more soft and you kind of need something not as hard but still get in and out. This is basically just your everyday tip. And then on top of that, you got your charger here. Super awesome. But yeah, basically you just grab your gun, insert your battery, choose your weapon of choice. In this case, we're gonna go with a little flathead one. Actually, no, let's switch it up. Let's get this bad boy. This one's always good. You just literally just push it in, good to go there. And right here is your power switch. Basically, you just hold it down. The green LEDs are your battery level. Over here is the power level. So you click it once, that's on speed 1, 2, that's speed 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is going. That is zooming, man. Basically, 5 is just, oh my goodness. It is next level, guys. I am so sore from my chest. My chest, all this, my pectorials. I did bench and incline bench on Monday. Oh my goodness. I am so sore, and this does the job perfectly. This actually came in on Monday. I started using it immediately. I've been using it all day yesterday, all day today, just to kind of prime my shoulders and my pecs. If you guys have ever benched and been sore to the point to where you can't really throw a backpack on, this takes me back to freshman year of high school when I first started working out, and I benched and I literally could not put my backpack on. It hurt so bad. This is what this type of soreness feels like. Probably because I don't flat bench. I literally just incline bench, and I hadn't benched in such a long time. But man, this is amazing. Already I'm feeling the benefits, loving the gun and having this around my house. Everyone here is using it. Everyone here works out in this home gym. They get after it, and everyone has been loving this thing. I mean, even my little brother who does body weight workouts has been using this and just loving it. I personally absolutely love this for those little places like back here. I get random knots or random just sorenesses, or it feels like I have something tight back here. This gets all around in there. This is amazing for your calves. Let's say you're a runner, that separation gets all up in there, guys. Super amazing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the nitty gritty, the specifics for all you nerdy people. I'm guilty of being that as well, guys, so I would want to know this, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that to you. All right, guys, so this bad boy, once it's all prepped and good to go, weighs in at right around 2.5 pounds. Honestly, some people might say it's too heavy. Dude, it's a massage gun. What more do you want? You kind of want that weight so you can kind of get in there and push it in there. I personally love the weight and feel. It feels super sturdy, super strong. In terms of power level, it ranges from level 1 at 1700 beats per minute to 2800 beats per minute at level 5. So you get that big variety and big range in terms of power. This also goes about 16 millimeters more than typical percussion massagers, guys. So whereas your typical percussion massager would only come out to about here in terms of like the boom, 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 this comes out all the way about to out here, guys. So you get way more range of motion. It gets a lot more into your muscle tissue and just overall better recovery. I absolutely love this thing, guys. This is definitely going in my gym bag, gym kit, arsenal, whatever it is, guys. Whenever I go to the gym, I'm always going to be taking this with me because this is an awesome recovery tool. Pre-workout, during your workout, after your workout, before bed, if you have any muscles that are tight or sore, whatever it may be, this is super handy. Also, I'm a big tech guy, so this has also just been laying around my everyday tech gear with my computer, my cameras, my iPad, just literally everything. This has been right by my side. It fits right in. This is part of like my everyday tech in terms of tech, fitness, health, and I just love it, guys. I'm geeking out. I'm nerding out over this thing. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys do too. Thank you to the people over at AchedAway for creating such an awesome product, an awesome piece of recovery equipment tool that's small, lightweight, and just gets the job done, man. You want a percussion massager? Get one of these. Honestly, before this, maybe a year or two ago, I was looking into getting a jigsaw and literally ordering just the tips and making my own handmade one. I was gonna have to get an extension cord and do it and have a big old noisy thing inside the house. At the time, I was living with three other guys, and I'm sure they would not have enjoyed that. So this comes in handy, comes in clutch. This does 28 to 70 percussions per minute, guys. So you got that performance aspect on this thing. You got the quality aspect on this bad boy. And this thing runs up to 20 minutes non-stop. If you exceed that, it turns off automatically. But yeah, man, super easy. All you got to do to charge it is literally plug in the charger to the bottom of this bad boy there, and you start charging it. To take it out, literally just take it out, boom, good to go. You can even order another battery if you'd like. I personally think one is good because after I'm done, you just charge it up and good to go. I've been using this the past 2 days, guys, and it's still on full battery. Let's see. Full battery, guys, the past 2 days. I've been getting at least 2 to 3 5-minute sessions in, and maybe 3 other family members have been using it as well, just consistently the past 2 days, and they love it. Don't worry, that's my hurt so good face, guys. So anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. Short and simple. Literally, what more could you want in a percussion massager, guys? This thing does the job. It comes with everything you need, all the tools to get your body right, get you healed up, recovered. It's gonna get you healed up, recovered, and good to go, guys. Literally everything you need in this one little kit. Nice little carrying case. Bada boom, bada bing. Right here. Take the battery out, pop it in the case. Boom, good to go. Boom, AchedAway Pro, guys. Even the packaging in this little carrying case is high quality. Everything about this thing is high quality, guys. It's gonna get the job done. It's gonna get you guys back in the gym, back on the weights sooner rather than later, guys. Honestly, having one of these and just really committing to use it on yourself and committing to recovery routine is gonna expedite all your progress, guys. It's gonna help you guys recover, which is gonna boost your performance in the gym, boost your gains in terms of trying to build muscle. You're gonna be able to get back in there, tear down the muscle again, etc., guys. Highly recommend the AchedAway Pro, guys. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Just nice and short for you guys. If you guys are new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. At least 2 new videos every week. You guys don't want to miss it. Go over to Instagram, follow me there, shots_G. Let me know you guys came from here. Comment Breakfast Club so I know you're part of the YouTube fam, guys. I'm so glad you guys have decided to click on my channel and follow along this journey, guys. So pumped to have you guys. Again, AchedAway, thank you guys. If you guys want to get one, the link is going to be in the description. Go over to Instagram and give them a follow as well, guys. They might be doing giveaways, that sort of thing. But yeah, man, great piece to add to the home gym recovery tool set. I'm going to be using this thing every day, guys. Absolutely love it. That's gonna do it, guys. I'll see you guys next video. Breakfast Club CTG. We out this B.